A while ago I had a problem with my new laptop, a new model MSI Apache Pro. I found that when I tried to access the webcam I got this error. I spent ages looking for fixes for the issue in my free time, from patches to reinstalling software to computer diagnostics. So the first thing I'm going to say is that I am not a certified computer technician, but I consider myself reasonably competent at troubleshooting. So do not blame me if this fix does not work, and do not feel stupid yourself that you did not try this before, as I did not have my webcam working for over a week. I was inspired to make this video as once I worked out the issue, I posted the solution below one of these supposed quick fix videos and have been getting thank you messages ever since for months. Anyway, on with the solution. This is a two-step process. Step 1. Identify the key on your keyboard which relates to the webcam. It is generally linked to one of the F buttons, in my case F6. Step 2. Hold down the FN button, which should be close to your spacebar, and press the camera button you identified before, in my case F6. You should see the following icon or something similar on your computer screen. If this works, then you should be able to use your camera again. If this solved your problem, be sure to like this video, and I always appreciate subscriptions. Ciao!